Dear learners, today we'll be learning about auxiliary verbs. An auxiliary verb is a verb which cannot be used on its own. It adds functional or grammatical meaning to the clause. An auxiliary verb always accompanies the main verb to form tenses and passive forms. An auxiliary verb can be divided in two categories. 1. Primary auxiliary. 2. Modal auxiliary. Here are some primary auxiliary verbs. Remember, be, have, do are special primary auxiliary verbs because they can be used both as an auxiliary verb and as a main verb. You need to note the singular and plural of have and do. The singular form of have is has. The singular form of do is does. The singular has and does is used with third-person singular nouns and singular pronouns like he, she, it. It is also used with who when intending singular subject. The plural have and do is used with first person and second person singular and plural pronouns, with third person plural pronouns and who with all plural nouns. Example: have. A. I have visited Delhi thrice. B. You have had 3 mangoes by now. C. He has completed the story. Example: do. A. I will do it tomorrow. B. I hope you do it in time. C. They said they would do it within the stipulated time. 2. Modal auxiliaries. Never change form. A verb used to express our wishes or order or suggestion is called a modal auxiliaries. All auxiliary verbs with the exceptions of be, have and do are called modal auxiliaries or simple modal. Modals are always followed by a main verb. They cannot stand on their own unless they are used in question tag. Example: A. You should regularly visit your dentist. B. May I use your pen please? C. They must come tomorrow. Modal auxiliaries and its functions. 1. Can, could, ability. 2. Will, shall, actions certain to happen in near future. 3. Should, advise. 4. Would, polite, request, advice. 5. Must, obligation, necessity. 6. May, might. A. Permission. B. Probability. C. Wish, pray. There are several ways in which modal auxiliaries are used such as 1. Ability. Can, ability in the present. Could, ability in the past. Be able to, can suggest any time. Can, could, general ability. 2. Possibility. May, a good possibility. Could, a very weak possibility. Might, a weak possibility. 3. Suggestion, duty. Should, general suggestion. Ought to, moral duty is to do something. It is right to do something. 4. Request. Can, informal request. Would and could are more polite request. Will and can, polite request. Could, it is uncertain that the request will be accepted. 5. Necessity, compulsion. Must. 6. Prohibition. Must not, ought not. 7. Wish. May. 8. Dare. Dare. Hope the lesson helped.